It's very important to optimize your game. If you optimize your game, everybody, even with a weak hardware, can play your game. One of the ways to optimize your game is to reuse your art asset as much as possible. To be able to reuse your art asset, you need to make your art asset tileable. Here, I will show a simple technique to make a tileable art asset. I start by dividing the platform to three pieces, A, B, and C. On the right side of the screen, I have drawn a simple shape to explain how I will make a tileable art asset. As you can see, this part has A, B, and C. Between B and C, there is a circle, and between A and B, there is a rectangle. I make a new copy from this simple shape, and I separate C, B, and A to different parts. Now, if I make it two copy from the right side of the B part and move one of them to the right side of the A, and if I flip the other part and move it to the left side of the B, I can make a tileable art asset. I scale it minus 100 and I move it beside B. Now if you look at our new shape, you will notice that there is a half circle on the right side of the A, both sides of the B, and left side of the C. It means now we have a tileable art asset. If I move A beside C, now I can make a full circle because both sides have a half circle. Or if I make it two copy from B and I put it beside each other, again I will have a full circle between two pieces. Now let's apply what we learned on our platform. I made three layers, A, B, and C. And it's not hard, just right click on the selection and press layer via cut. Now based on what we already told, we need two new copy. Again, right click on the selection and press layer via copy. Now we must have two copy of the right side of the B. Move one side beside A and flip other side by pressing Ctrl T and entering minus 100. Now move flipped piece beside B. Merge A layer with new piece. Now the only thing has remained is to merge new piece by the old piece. It's a complex shape, and that's the reason it's make sometimes to do it. But for the most piece of art, it's much easier to do. As you can see, our new piece is tileable, but I want to avoid this mirror painting. The reason that we are seeing this mirror painting is that both sides of the B are exactly the same. It's not a major problem. The only thing you need to do is make a little difference between right side and left side of the B. But be careful. Do not paint on the vertex that are exactly at the edge of the side because they must be exactly the same